Hey besties, it's Abby and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome! So for today's vlog, I'm going to be sharing with you what I ate in a day during the Chloe Ting challenge. So before we start, don't forget to smash the like button down below and click on the subscribe button and the bell notification beside it so that you can be updated with my uploads. Okay mga besties, so shinare ko din sa video na ginawa ko yung 2-week shred challenge niya. Yung first time ko ginawa yon, wala akong change sa food ko. Hindi ko binago yung mga kinakain ko. And then, nung second time ko nang ginawa yung 2-week shred na yon, so, I changed my food intake. Share ko dun sa video na yung good friend ko si Cha, nag-no rice at no bread challenge kami. So, gumawa kami ng sarili naming challenge. Kasi gusto lang namin i-push yung mga sarili namin. Aside from working out, gusto namin palitan din namin yung food namin para talagang makita yung optimal results. A bit of a background, bago ako mag-start dun sa workout challenge na yun, meron na akong konting knowledge about food. So, I'm going to share first with you what I ate in a day. So, every breakfast, I prepare rolled oats, either my fruits on top, or honey with chia, or peanut butter. So, before I start my day, I drink 1 glass of water. I take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Sometimes I put the apple cider vinegar in my water with 1 tablespoon of honey, and then dinadagdagan ko rin ng chia. But most of the time, I just take it as it is. Kinagandahan at ang benefits ng apple cider vinegar and ng virgin coconut oil for me is mabilis akong magbanyo right after. As in, maganda siya for digestion and it really cleans my gut. And so that has been my morning routine for mga 5 years na rin. So kung hindi rolled oats na pinaprepare ko, I make omelette. So eggs, and then nagdadagdag na lang ako ng mga ibang veggies. Celery, mushrooms, tomatoes, tuna. Paminsan nag-experiment lang ako kung ano yung feel ko na veggies na ilagay for that day. So I make sure I have protein at the start of my day. So for the breakfast, I sometimes make smoothies. So it's either banana, strawberry, mango, avocados. So for lunch, since I don't eat white rice, I make cauli rice. So I just put any veggies na meron ako in my ref. And so yung mga madalas na nilalagay ko sa cauli rice are mushroom, spinach, celery. So for my snack, I get any fruit. Favorite ko yung banana. And lately ko lang nagustuhan yung peanut butter. So, yun talaga din yung nilalagay ko on top of the banana. And so, for dinner, as always, veggies. It's either broccoli or carrots or cucumber. I love cucumber, actually. And I just have this QP. With sesame. Yeah, that's my favorite. So, I just use 1 tablespoon. Lunch and dinner, kung ano man yung ulam namin, fish, chicken, beef, I always eat it with my veggies. So, I always prepare veggies every time. Kasi hindi nawawala ng veggies every time sa tabi ko. I only eat 4 times a day. So, after ng mga 8 p.m., ganyan, hindi na ako kumakain. I just drink green tea after dinner or hibiscus tea. So, for those of you na nagtataka kung hindi ba ako nagugutom dun sa mga kinakain ko kasi walang rice, walang bread, sa totoo lang, at first it was hard. But when I made the decision to cut them out from my food intake, slowly nagawa ko naman siya. It also helped that I'm just at home. I prepare our own meals. So, nalilesen yung paglabas-labas, pagkain sa mga fast food. Kasi sa totoo lang, kaya tayo tumataba is because we eat fast food. Fast food, sobrang daming salt niya, and preservatives, and hindi mo alam how they prepared the food. Mas okay talaga if we prepare our own food. Kasi nga, alam mo kung gaano kadami or kung gaano kakonti yung ilalagay mo ng mga ingredients. Kung tatanungin nyo ako kung ba't tinanggal ko yung white rice tsaka yung white bread, nakakataba kasi siya sa akin. Also, nag-cut out ako sa mga powdery drinks, sa sodas, yun, sa processed food. So, I chose whole foods, healthy foods, veggies, and fruits, and I drank more water because in the long run, mas sustainable yung mga yon. So, always choose whole foods, then processed or fast foods. Sobrang dami talaga ng benefit if you eat healthy food. And isa sa mga nagturo sa akin how to eat healthy and how to transform your health through the healing power of food is my good friend, Harvey. So when he shared to me years back that you can transform your health through the healing power of food. I was very grateful that I went through his program. Kasi before, nakwento ko rin sa kanya that I had breast cysts, and he helped me change my mindset about food. that food can heal you. Sabi niya sa akin, you really have to want it. Like, kung gusto ko talaga maging healthy, kung gusto ko talaga maging free of the sickness and everything. So, following his program was one of the things that helped me heal my body. So, I'm going to put the link to his website, baronmethod.com, if you want to do a consultation with him, or you can follow him on Instagram at baronmethod. So guys, alam naman natin sa panahon natin ngayon na we have to be healthy, we have to stay healthy, we have to keep our family healthy. So let's prioritize our health. So there you have it, guys. Again, sana may natutunan kayo at sana naging helpful to sa inyo. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, please do comment down below. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification beside it para updated ka sa mga new uploads ko. Always remember that you are beautiful, you matter, and you're a blessing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next vlog.